Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Mark here at MAS Audio, and today, as you can see, we're in a Mini. Now, following on from my last video on the Astra, we finished that car up and we put it up for sale. We had a few silly offers on that one, and then one person actually offered me a swap, and this is what we ended up with. So rather than actually selling it and getting some money for it, we ended up with another car. So I thought, well, why not? Let's put it on the channel as well and do a video on this and show you what we've got. Now, I'll put the key in. So starts up nice, it's lovely and quiet. We've got AC, we've got power windows, drive-through window works, other windows alright, that one works. We've got the standard stock stereo with an auxiliary in. Oh, don't want to play music through it. So CD, auxiliary. So we've got the auxiliary port in the glove box. I've been playing around and swapped the old yellow bulbs as well for these little LED bulbs. Don't know if you can see them, but yeah, some little LED bulbs, the T501 type bulbs. I'm still trying to find one to fit the middle of the overhead courtesy light, because that one, it won't fit in there, but I've got the other two in the end ones okay. So I need to find one that will fit in there, and then I can fit that back up in its position up there. Now this is a convertible as well. It's got an electric roof, and you can also roll the windows in the back down and up, and both work as well. Got no warning lights. We've got the digital speedo in the rev counter as well. It's also got the parking sensors, so if we put it in reverse, we've got the parking sensors. One of them isn't working though. There is a problem with that I need to look into, so that's one repair we need to do. Okay, so here is the Mini from the outside. So lovely clean car, very straight. No complaints about the outside of the car at all. And the roof is in good condition. Nice window on the back there. Everything on here is nice. Roof is all nice. Just needs a little clean. I have actually replaced the aerial. The original aerial was all battered and looked like somebody had been eating the end of it, so changed that out. Got the boot. Again, I've been playing with LED bulbs, and I had a spare one that was blue. It was the only one that was bright enough to light the boot up, and I thought, well, the car's blue, so why not have a blue LED light in there as well. There's a toolkit in there still. The boot liner that was actually in the floor here is actually in the house. It was really grubby, so I washed it and I've left it to dry. And there's also some little lights under here which we put some LEDs in as well. There's the original bulbs that were in either of them were getting really hot. I thought they were a bit silly, how hot they were actually getting. So I just put some of them, those little LEDs again. They don't show up as bright in the daytime, but at night they light it up quite nice in the dark, and that's all you want really. You don't want it blinding you. And that one in there, as we've already shown you. I'm going to do some more for these. These have still got the yellow ordinary bulbs in. I'm going to swap them out for some bright LEDs. So let's just switch off the lights, because it's got auto lights, so let's just turn them off, open the bonnet. So engine runs really nice. So now on to a couple of problems we have on this car that we need to fix. If you look at this strut tower, everything looks all fine there, and there's the top of it and everything. Get your fingers in there. You come over to this one and it doesn't quite look right. It's pushed all the way up. The actual bearing inside has collapsed, so we need to do a new top mount on this one. So we've got one of them on order, so that'll be here soon. So that's one job we need to do. And the only other job, I'll just come around the back and show you the exhaust. It's just bouncing around. I think there's something wrong with the hangers on it, so we need to have a look at the hangers on there. But that's all we've found so far. Get it up on the ramp, and we're going to have a look at it and see what else we can find, and then we're going to do a couple of repairs, and then this car will be up for sale. Now, can you see anything wrong with this alloy wheel? Who puts weights on the outside of an alloy wheel? Obviously somebody who doesn't know what they're doing. Look at the size of them. It says 30 on them. Is that how many grams they are, or what? I don't know. But why have they put them on the outside of an alloy wheel, ruining it? Yeah, and this one. Two front ones are fine though. Okay, so that's the Mini we've got here now, and like I say, we swapped it. It was a straight swap with the Astra we had. This is a 2008, and I'll just go on, turn the ignition on. But there we go. So it's 109,000 miles we're on at the moment, and it does have a few extras. This one, it's got what they call the chili pack. So it's got the speedo, digital speedo in the rev counter. We've got tyre pressure monitoring. We've got the parking sensors. I think it's slightly more power from the engine as well. Not sure what else is in the chili pack. Some of you out there might know and be able to let me know a bit more about it. I know nothing about these cars really. Oh, we do have cruise control as well. That's another extra. And also the auto headlights and auto wipers, I believe that's an extra. There is a couple of other things we need to fix as well. I don't know if you can see there, but we've got a couple of stone chips on the front windscreen, so we're going to have to get somebody out to repair those. Yeah, so if you'd like to see more on the Mini and the repairs we're going to do, so we've got the windscreen, we've got the suspension top mount, we've got the exhaust that's loose, so probably some hangers or clamps or something that's gone on there, and the parking sensors, that needs to be looked at so we can get the parking sensors fixed. Actually, I'll see if I can show you that. There's a good way to test these. So if we put it in reverse, and we've got the beep. I wonder if you can hear that, if the mic picks it up, the clicking sound. And that one. That one. this one doesn't make a noise. And then this one, which does make a noise. So we've got this sensor here, it's not doing anything. So whether it's the sensor or a cabling issue, we're going to investigate that as well. Okay, so that's going to be it on the Mini for the time being. If you'd like to see more on this car and the repairs, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, see you soon, thank you for watching. Bye.